guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a haul for you from a little bit from Michael's and then quite a bit from Hobby Lobby. So let's go to Hobby Lobby first. I really am excited about this stuff. It is so pretty. Now I'm filming this video the week of January the 22nd. So I picked these things up when I went shopping with Mom. We had so much fun. These are like Farmhouse, Tuscan, French country. It's so pretty, and they had their decor there 50% off while we were here. So let me show you what I bought. Ugh. Okay, let's start off with this. I love it. It's like a hard plastic, but isn't that gorgeous? It's pretty tall. This was $17.99. But it was 50% off. I love that, okay? Then this candle holder is gorgeous. Just look at that. It was $14.99, but it was 50% off. I really lost it. And this little hen, I love her. She's so pretty. Mom has one that's really large like this, but one of the little, I think it's called a cone, I don't know, cone or something on top broke off. But I've always loved her, so when I saw this, I just had to get it. It was $21.99, but it was 50% off. I just love it. This is going to be so beautiful. Okay, and then this little bird sitting on this little pedestal is gorgeous. It just looks so old, so Tuscan, French country, and even Farmhouse. It was $14.99, but it was 50% off. They were all 50% off. This bowl is really heavy, and it's so pretty. It has those same, with like the greens and the browns. It has that Tuscan vibe, French country. This would even work Farmhouse. It was $17.99, 50% off. Then this little wooden bowl is so pretty. I loved it. It was $17.99, on sale too. Okay. Then this, I'm going to do a DIY with this, but this is so pretty. I love this. It was $24.99, 50% off. I'm telling you, you cannot beat their decor at Hobby Lobby, especially when it's 50% off, okay? Then I picked up this book. I love it. It feels like felt. It's so old looking, and like you were in an estate, maybe in France or somewhere like that, and you'd see it. And naturally, you can just store things in it if you want. I was surprised. I pulled the sticker off of it. I can't remember how much it was because I was afraid it would stick. But it was 50% off. They included this with the boxes. So I love this. It's so beautiful. Okay. And then I picked up some distress ink from Tim Holtz, and it was $5.99. I don't remember if this one was on sale or not. And then I picked up this little ink that's kind of gold, and it was $9.99. Now, I don't think this one was on sale. Okay, and then they had this really pretty Valentine ribbon. This bigger one was $3.99, but it was on sale. And then this real pretty white with the red hearts was $1.99, but it was on sale as well. So I just love all these Tuscan, French country, Farmhouse finds. I am so into this. I have decorated this way for so long, and I'm really ready to punch it up some. Okay, now we'll go to Michael's. Now this is a steal of a deal. Okay, it holds your washi, and it holds quite a bit. This is normally $30. I would never spend $30 for this. It has 3 drawers, and it pulls out. But they had this week of the 22nd for $15. It was 50% off. I love it. I bought 4 of these because I have struggled with how to store my washi. I could never get it stored right. This is an answer to a prayer. I love it. So if you're able to get that, oh, get it. And it looks like jewels when it's stored in there. I love it, okay? Now when I was in Michael's, I picked up some more of this greenery like I did my Farmhouse Tuscan potted plants. But this week it was buy one, get one free. So I picked up 2 more of these. And then I picked up 3 more of these, buy one, get one. And I incorporated this one with this one. Okay, and that's what I bought there. And then their floral, spring floral was buy one, get one free. So I love these flowers. I love them. They look so French country to me, even Farmhouse, Tuscan. So I bought this one, got this one free, and then I just went ahead and got this one. It is so pretty, and I went ahead and picked up this container to go with it. Now they had this, when I bought this, it was just, I think 40% off. But this week, because I bought this earlier, this is buy one, get one of their metal containers the week of the 22nd. So I love that. So this is everything that's in my haul. I hope if you can get any of this, you do, especially these washi containers. It makes your craft room look so organized and pretty. And then I love all my decor items. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.